Earth syrup is a premium crafted, dry blend of organic nutrients. Molasses-based, Earth syrup contains 12 beneficial plant and microbe ingredients, including fish, yucca, worm castings, rock dust, humates, whey, and more that provide abundant and diverse food sources for feeding plants and soil microorganisms. Earth syrup is micronized to below 500 micron for maximum solubility and availability to the garden. It is a fine powder, so it helps to dissolve in water before application.
Use earth syrup directly in the garden as an amendment to custom soil mixes or a microbe food in compost tea.
Earth syrup is sweet treats for the garden. No, it may not work for the pancakes, but trust me, the plants and microbes will love this stuff. Earth Compound is a premium handcrafted microbial inoculant for brewing compost tea. This stuff is powerful, so a little goes a long way. There are literally trillions of microbes in Earth Compound, of countless diversity. Formulated with multiple forms of organic, biodynamic farm compost, grain-fed worm castings, archaea microbes, and potentized with the biodynamic preparations.
Okay, don't freak out. I just used some big words there. Odds are you're a millennial. Google that.
Most microbes found in gardening products were cultured in a lab. They grow up with no competition. It makes them lazy. They have no life experience. But the microbes in Earth Compound come directly from Mother Nature. They grew up in the real world, learning from their mistakes, and they're ready to revolutionize your garden.
You in?
Earth kelp is a premium blend of cold-pressed Ascophyllum nodosum and Eclonia maxima sea kelps, formulated at up to 3 times the concentration of other leading kelp brands. What? Ascophyllum nodosum and Eclonia maxima. Huh? Okay, calm down. It's only seaweed. Liquid kelp is seaweed that has undergone a process to extract the active ingredients from inside the cell wall of the plant, so that it's soluble and available to your garden. Cheap kelps are extracted using heat and harsh chemicals, but earth kelp is cold pressed and extracted using a patented cellular infusion process. Plus, we add micronutrients from sea minerals for elemental diversity.
Use earth kelp to stimulate microbes in compost tea, as a foliar spray, or as a plant tonic in any growing application.
Tonic is a seawater-based mineral catalyst that contains literally every form of every element on Earth. Not only does Earth Tonic provide total plant nutrition from mineral sources around the globe, it's a toolkit for microbes to make enzymes. Every element on the periodic table has an enzyme potential. Not having all the elements in your garden or compost tea brew is like hiring microbes to build a house and giving them half the tools. After all, why would Mother Nature make an element not needed in the garden? She wouldn't.
Use earth tonic in your organic garden to supplement your base hydroponic fertilizer as a foliar spray and, of course, in your compost tea brewing. You can even drink this stuff. But don't, it tastes terrible.